So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today in this video we are going to learn how to use the Wokwi platform. So with the help of this Wokwi platform guys, you can make your own mini projects based on the virtually. There is no need to, if you have a physically any components like ESP32, Arduino Nano, Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, there is no need. All mostly type of components, modules, and deployment boards are already available on the Wokwi platform. So we will learn. So first time opening this our browser. If you will go this our Wokwi website, so here you can see so many types of deployments. You can see here whatever you need, you can click it on that our deployment board. For example, if I want to use this our Arduino Uno. This is a basic, that's why I'm showing you. And here you can see featured means some people had already made this schematic designs, so it is already here. But if we want to start from the scratch, so we will go from here. This one is a Arduino Uno controller. If you will click it here, then after that this existing one code we have to delete it. So we will put here our small LED blinking program. For the getting the program, just we have to go in our Arduino IDE code. Here you can go to our example basic and blink program. So now it is opening. So in this code guys, you can see here this is a one basic LED blinking code is available here. So we will copy from here, then again we will go to this our Wokwi platform. Here we will paste this our code, and we will simulate this. If we will simulate this, see, you can see here guys, our LED is blinking based on the our 1 millisecond. If I will make a changes here, like I want to blink this LED not a 1 second, 500 milliseconds. I want to blink this both on and off. Then again I will simulate this. See, now you can see guys, LED blinking is very fastly, and this green LED means the power indications. And this is the what are the things, or who is the author of this one, all details are there. And if you want to add this library guys, additionally, means sometimes what is happening, we are using here some libraries, so we have to add here, like our manually we are adding, we are downloading, then zip file we are adding in our Arduino IDE. If we want to use here this in our Wokwi platform, we have to add here. Like for example, we want to use the DST11 library. This is temperature library. So many types of author libraries are there. Whichever is you want to use, that one you can use here. Just single click. And if we will go again on our home, here's already this other controllers are also there, and platforms are also there. Means VS Code, Wokwi, and Wokwi JetBrains. These are the code already are here. If we will open this. Okay, we will open one existing code like this one. If we want to run, if you will open this project guys, just you have to click it on the simulation button. Like here it is working guys. See, it is are the buttons are there. Okay, just we have to, like, this is a game is there, like in old eras in Nokia mobilities it was coming. Just you have to touch these balls on these two parallel lines. This is a small game are there guys. So like this you can make your own many projects guys. If you want to add here in this same project, if you want to edit something for your reference, so you can go here. So many types of modules, sensors, breadboard, and gates, flip-flops, all these things are there. Most of the things are there, means all these things you will not get here. As much as easy things you will get here guys. So based on your requirement you can make here so many types of projects. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.